Hi, it's Joella Milan, licensed esthetician. I always say that because I am an esthetician and I love what I do and I'm proud to be an esthetician. I worked hard at it. I've been doing that over 25 years. I'm always learning new things and I love to share it with my customers. And I wanted to just give you a little tip tonight. I guess I've been working like 12 hours today. I'm hot and sweaty, not much makeup. I have a little bit of tinted sunscreen on, that I put on early this morning. So, and I'm still not doing too bad, but it's late. But I wanted to do this while I have the time. So anyway, I wanted to talk about Karen Herzog. Karen Herzog, they're the world leader in oxygen skincare. I've sold them probably close to 25 years. I was a rep for them for 15 years. I've carried them longer than anybody in the United States, and I know these products better than anyone. And I love selling them. I still love them after all these years. And it's interesting, because I'm always trying new products, but I'll get my customers call me and they go, "Oh my gosh, I love these products," and they go on, and it reminds me of how wonderful they are, and it takes me back to my own experience. I know when I was growing up, I had the most oily skin, the most oily skin of anybody I've ever known. Oily skin and sun damage, because I used to be really tan. I thought I was beautiful, but it's disgusting. But anyway, tan, sun damage. And when I got out of esthetician school, I started using Karen Herzog, and my oily skin in about 2 weeks was gone. My skin was balanced. My skin was hydrated. It just looked so good. And being a new esthetician, I'd never experienced having healthy, beautiful skin before. I just was like everybody else. I go to the department store and buy all the stuff that didn't work. so, so anyway, I love their products. And this is, the one I'm talking about now is Essential Mask. And it's so hydrating, and it does a multitude of things. For me, I call it the double blast of oxygen. It's got 2% oxygen in it, but it does so many wonderful things for the skin. You could put it on as a mask and just leave it on for maybe like 20 minutes and rinse it off with warm water. Or you could put it on a little bit lighter and put it on and leave it on all night as a nighttime moisturizer. Or you could even use it in the day if you like, and put it on under your makeup. Especially as the weather's getting colder, and your skin might be drier. This is just so hydrating. It's just wonderful, and you don't need that much. This tube will last you 4 to 6 months, depends how much you use it. Their stuff is so concentrated, and you just don't need that much. So, another thing I like to do with it is, in the morning, if you want to do it, then use a little bit of the Karen Herzog mild scrub and just really scrub your face, rinse it, dry it, and then put a little bit of the essential mask. This is my professional size here. See, it's just like a white cream. I don't know if you see that good. White cream. And you just put a little bit on the skin. It goes right in. All of the oxygen products. You don't put a ton on and try to rub it in. You want to put it on, and it just pats into the skin. But if you want to put it on at night a little bit thicker, you can, and just sleep in it all night, and put it on your neck. So, you could do that. Or like I said, in the morning, do a little scrub and then put it on as a moisturizer. Wait about 5 minutes and then put your makeup on. It looks so beautiful. It's lifting, toning, helps tired skin, perks you up. That's why I call it double blast of oxygen. It just perks up the skin. And firming, lifting, and perking it up. But I did a mask last night, and I still look good today. Like I said, I've worked 12 hours a day, and I go nonstop from the time I get up. And this is so easy. This was not something that Karen Herzog talks about. It's just, I'm always trying to figure out new things, and without costing you a lot of extra money too. I like products that work. So these are things that I'm thinking some of my clients already have in their bathroom or their inventory. But what I did, so you don't even have to make a big deal, take any cup. It could be any, so don't say, oh, I don't have the right cup. Just get a cup. And then I took a little bit of, this has got like powder mask in it. This one's, collagen. I did a collagen mask. And just put about a tablespoon or so, or a teaspoon. We'll even say a teaspoon of it in your cup. And then squish like a teaspoon of the essential mask in there. And then I take the end of my brush and just kind of mix it up. And then if you want to need a little more consistency, add a little bit of the Joella Milan Capture Youth Water, which is also lifting, toning, firming, hydrating, healing. It's amazing. Just put a little bit of that in it and mix it up, and then put it all over the face. Just and the neck, just put it on and leave it on for about 15 or 20 minutes. That's what I did last night, because the powder will get a little bit firmer, and I'll tell you from the oxygen, it got a little bit itchy, because the oxygen is stimulating for the skin. So it got a little bit itchy, but after about 20 minutes, I rinsed it off, and my skin looked so good. It was so plump and firm and tight and hydrated. I know when I was going to bed, and I thought, gee, I wish I had somewhere to go because I looked really good. So funny. So that's what I wanted to talk to you about. So again, essential mask, Karen Herzog essential mask. Any powdered mask you have, or even if you have another, I'm trying to make this easy. Even if you have like some kind of a cream, a little bit of cream, and then add this in, and then just put it on as a mask and a little bit of water, the Capture Youth Water. Make it so simple. And I'm telling you, the reason I'm having you do a small amount, so that it's not about putting on, a lot of product for a peel-off mask or something. This is just a small amount that you put on and you just leave and then rinse it off. Because I was tired last night, and from start to finish, in 20 minutes I was done, and then I was in bed, but it just made me feel good because I knew I looked tired, so that made me feel good. That's all I could say. Anyway, I'm easy to reach, and you could call me on my toll-free number, and you could also send me an email. I'm happy to help you. If you have any questions on the Karen Herzog products at all, I'm the one to ask, because like I said, I've sold them longer than anyone, and I could write a book this thick about Karen Herzog products. The things that I know about it, the miracle stories from people that have used it, what it does to the skin, it's amazing. Karen Herzog herself is in her 80s now, and she still has beautiful skin. Beautiful. And so does her daughter, Noelle. I've known Noelle since she was really young, and now her daughter's, grown with grown kids and all. Her skin is beautiful from the product. So it does something to you, does something for the skin that I haven't seen any other products do. So I'm reminding you to try it, and I'm reminding me to start using it more again because it brings results. So I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.